a vehicular accident has occurred. A passenger in one of the vehicles has sustained serious injuries and sues the driver of the other vehicle for damages, particularly a civil case for damages arising from a vehicular accident. After the vehicular accident, the complaint has been filed by the complainant in the prosecution's office, and it is accompanied by an investigation data form and other supporting evidence that should establish prima facie evidence with a reasonable certainty of conviction. The prosecutor then reviewed all the pieces of evidence submitted to him. Based on the evidence submitted, the prosecutor found out that there is reasonable certainty of conviction. Thereafter, the case has been filed in court.
Good morning, counsels.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is task the pre-trial matters and will identify the issues as and specify the facts and set the date for the trial. Plaintiff, counsel.
Your Honor, the main issue is the liability for the damages suffered by the plaintiff.
The defendant, counsel.
Dispute the extent of the damages claimed by the plaintiff.
Very well. Let's specify the time and date of incidents, and please, counsel, don't prepare your witnesses for the direct and cross-examination. Dismiss.
Almighty God, we stand in your holy presence as our supreme judge. We humbly beseech you to bless and inspire us so that what we think, say, and do will be in accordance with your will. Enlighten our minds, strengthen our spirit, and fill our hearts with fraternal love, wisdom, and understanding, so that we can be effective channels of truth, justice, and peace.
You may now proceed.
Prosecutor John Lloyd Gajani respectfully appearing the plaintiff. Ready, Your Honor.
Attorney Domingo Villagor III, respectfully appearing for the defendant. Ready, Your Honor.
I would like to call the plaintiff's witness to proceed at the witness stand. Are you ready?
Ready.
Please state your name and address.
I am Juliana A. Espanyo and I live in Sagay City, Negros Occidental.
What is your relationship to the plaintiff?
I have no relationship with the plaintiff.
Can you describe what you saw on the day of incident?
Sang adlaw nga natabo ang amuto nga insidente ara ko sa kilid sang dadan ga ungkop gahulat sa akon nga amiga pagkadugay-dugay nakita ko ang pula nga salakyan nag-overtake. Pag-overtake yan na bungguan niya color blue nga salakyan pero ara sa pihak nga linya.
No further question, Your Honor.
Defendant counsel, would you like to cross-examine the plaintiff witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Na-mention ko kanina na nakita mo ang insidente. So, ano ka kalayo sa pagtamo sa insidente?
Hindi banggit ko layo kayo sa hindi natabo ang insidente. Mga 5 meters away lang po sa kagawalan ko sa Manila.
Sometimes sa aking insidente, yung nagkasuso ka sa glasses.
Wala.
No further question. questions, Your Honor.
Thank you for your cooperation, witness. You can go back to your seat.
Defense counsel, do you have any witness for the defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
I would like to allow the defendant's witness to proceed at the witness stand. Are you ready?
Yes.
Please state your name and address.
Ako pala si Arcadian Gemma, taga-Escalante City.
Miss Liama, what is your relationship to the defendant?
Isa po sa mga pasahero sa natabo ang incident.
Pwede ka ma-explain sa iyong version sa natabo ang incident?
Nang nagapong po sa passenger driver's seat, nakitaan po ang isa ka pulang salakyan na dasig lagan kag nagbumbos sa amin.
No further question, Your Honor.
Prosecutor, would you like to cross-examine the defendant witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
Miss Yema, nagambal ka bala nga dasig ang pagpadagan sa blue nga salakyan? Na-measure mo bala kung anong kadasigon ang dalagan sa blue nga salakyan?
Wala ko nakita ang speedometer.
Nasaksihan bala sa maklaro ang kondisyon sa dalanon sa pagkatabo sa insidente?
Hindi siya masyado klaro kay I was using my phone that time, then na-notice ko na lang na ang akong salakyan nga ginasakyan matry nga mag-overtake sa piyak nga lane. Then ang akong salakyan nga ginasakyan may nasugata nga salakyan amo to dayon nagungguanan sila.
Your Honor, base sa statement sa dependent witness, wala naman na klaro ang pagkatabo sa insidente kay gagamit sa cellphone. Your Honor, I offered evidence Exhibit A, a medical certificate of the plaintiff.
Objection, Your Honor. The medical certificate is not properly authenticated.
Honorable, the objection is without merit. The medical certificate is admitted into evidence.
Your Honor, based on the evidence presented, it is clear that the defendant is liable for the damages suffered by the plaintiff.
Your Honor, the plaintiff has failed to prove their case by preponderance of evidence. We urge the court to dismiss the case.
The court, having considered the evidence presented, finds that the defendant liable for the damages suffered by the plaintiff. Judgment is rendered in favor of the plaintiff.
With the power vested upon me, I will declare